Scrappy family, Amanda here, coming at you today with another layout for our How to Kill a Kit with Style for March. As a reminder, I am working on some pictures of a family vacation from 2022. We were in Panama, and so the photos that I'm going to do today are of us leaving at a local regional airport from Panama City to Bocas Del Toro. And they had this really beautiful mural there of one of the indigenous natives. So it was just really, really beautiful. And we all took pictures in front of it. And then, of course, part of our huge clan that was traveling on the plane. So, and it was my daughter's first time going on one of these really small planes. So I wanted to just document this memory all together. I am using a sketch that I found on Pinterest. However, it does not have, I don't know who made it. And I don't know, but this is the sketch that we're going to be following today. So yeah, it looks like a scrapbook generation sketch, but the file I found on Pinterest didn't have any of the maker information. So yeah, so let's get started. Of course, I'm going to start with my 2 pieces of white American Crafts cardstock. So the left-hand page of the layout, and one of the other reasons why I picked this particular layout is it had a lot of photos on it, which I needed, and it also utilized a lot of Project Life cards, which is one of the prompts for the March How to Kill a Kit with Style. So I wanted to be able to make sure that I incorporate the Project Life cards. So there's a 4x6 one here, 3x4, 4x6 one here as well. So I have some of my 4x6 photo. I have all my photos. I don't have the cards that I want to use. So we're going to do it like this. We'll put a card here and then a card and a card. And then over here, it's a photo block in the middle with one Project Life card for journaling. I think I might put my journaling over here and keep this, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So from the kit, I was using this Simple Stories Going Places 6x8 paper pad. I really like it because it has a lot about flying. And again, we're at another airport. In this, for this series, I did do some photos. I did a double page layout of us leaving from the US to Panama, which I used a lot of the flying papers for. So here we are again. I think I want to utilize this. It says, life is a journey best traveled together. Maybe I'll use that over here. But I also, I don't know. Oh, these are my photos. These are the photos I'm going to use on this page. But there's also this sky's the limit. You can do it. I don't necessarily need the you can do it. I just like the sky's the limit. So we'll see. Let me cut this out for sure because I want to use that over here. And maybe I'll end up doing my journaling down here. I'm not sure. We'll see. That's part of the fun, right? And so these were a cut apart from the 6x8 paper pad. So they're not necessarily Project Life, but they are, you know, they're cut apart sheets. Oh, and I like this geotag paper, which is the back side of this cut apart. I do like that a lot there. And these were some cut aparts that I had left over from the first layout. And I do like the background of this with the stamps, but I already used that for a page that's going to be in this book. So I don't want to use it again. While I'm here, I'm going to cut down my cardstock for the left-hand page photo block. All right, so I'm going to cut this down to 9.5 by 8.5. There is a stripe across as well. Let's see which stripe we can pull from here. This is a good stripe. Look at that. Easily found. And we're going to do that at a 1/4 inch, it looks like. But this is only 8 inches, so I have to do it twice. Obviously, we won't need all of it, but we will use that. I'm going to put these photos at the bottom down first. So the bottom calls for some 3x2 photos, and 2 of them I printed out as 3x2, and 1 of them I cut down to 3x2 from a 4x6 photo because I couldn't find it on my phone. So I'm not sure if I deleted it or if someone sent it to me and I didn't save it or what. But this is the one I cut down, picture of my uncle next to one of the little planes. It wasn't the plane we got on, but it was funny. These photos down here, and then there's the stripe, and then the other photos go on top. And so this second photo should also be 3x6, but I didn't have another 3x6 photo to use, so I just used a 3x4. And then I like this here. Yeah, so we'll do something like that for the photo block. I'm gonna obviously clean that up a bit. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna adhere all my photos down and come back so that we can go to the next step of the layout. All right, Scrappy family, we are back. I have gone ahead and put down all of our photos and some pattern paper and some of our 3x4 cards. So if you remember, The Sky's the Limit was a 3x4 card, and the bottom said, you can do it. I didn't really need the bottom, but I did want the sky's the limit, and I love that the airplane is going in. So I just cut it down to 3x2 and utilized it there instead. So now I need to just play around with the embellishments. I did find in my stash these stickers that I wanted to use. So in my stash, I found these stickers that say My Trip. It kind of looks like a map and then an airplane. There's 4 of them. I'm not going to use all 4. I do want to be able to use one of them. So I don't know if I want to use it up here or over here. I definitely don't want to use it down here because it's going to get lost. But maybe up here. I need to figure out what I'm going to do with this space as well. So let's take a look at some of the Project Life cards that I have. We're not in paradise just yet. We're still at the airport, so I don't know about that. Oh, I do like this one, boarding pass. That's cute, considering, you know, we're boarding a plane. How about over here? We can, I like that. I think we might put that there. I'm not sure. See it all, eat well, travel often. Travel does the heart good. Life was meant for good friends, great eats. Well, it doesn't say great eats, but that's what I was thinking. That's cute as well. I don't know. I just don't know if I want to put like another 3x4 card there, or if I want to use it, or 4x6 card, or if I want to just be able to embellish here. Without rain, there'd be no rainbows. And then these are rounded. The corners of these are rounded, so I don't think I want to use any of these. Yeah, okay. So we have a couple of vacation ones. Let's see. I have some other things in my stash as well. Oh, that's right. Put down the map and get wonderfully lost. I do want to be able to journal over here somewhere. I do really like this boarding pass over here, so I think I'm gonna do that. And then I have some other stickers. I have this word travel. Let's see. So, I mean, it is cute. I do like it. I like the airplane, but I don't know. I don't know. I do like it though. Or even the memories. The memories are cute. I kind of like the memories color palette better. And I like the Panama Jack hat. So I think we might go with that. Let's see. I like that. I'm going to put some additional adhesive here because it's kind of naked. And I want to make sure it doesn't fall off. And maybe I can use some thickers and write like vacation memories or something on top of it. I also have these Studio Calico stickers that have some airplanes on them and some arrows and some clouds. And it comes with an alpha. Oh, but I do also still have this that I brought away. I brought over the other time. If I can do the word vacation. Let's see how that looks. Vacation memories. I rather like it. I know we're doing it like that. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. Okay, and then on here, they have some airplanes as well. I think I might use the Studio Calico airplanes, though. I like the colors on that better than this and the size of it. I love this mix and mingling product. To me, it's so fun. That's why we buy things. That's why we have a stash. Do we want to throw some of these clouds from here on here? I mean, it won't hurt. I'll fill the space in a bit. My paper is white, so I don't know about these white ones. How well it stands out. And I don't like that green one because the airplane is green already. So let me swap these. Ooh, I ripped it. Get my glue pen out and fix this. That's cute. I like the way that came out. And then over here, I can use this section for some of my journaling. Where should I put it here? I kind of like it over here. I'm going to ink the edges of this to match, utilizing the rouge from Quick Quotes to match the other pattern paper on the layout. Again, I cannot remember the airport we were at. Okay, I did my journaling on this boarding pass, and we're going to just do that there. So that's cute. And then I think I'm going to put this over here. I did not think these would move as much as they are. Okay, my trip. Where's that liquid adhesive? I'm going to have to use some of that on these. Make sure they stay down. And I'm going to use some of these clouds from the Studio Calico over here as well, just to bring through that design element from one page to the other. So that looks good. And I have some other stickers here from Dollar Tree as well that I do think are really cute. I kind of want to do something with this camera and these planes as well. I like the muted colors in these stickers. I feel like it goes really well with the paper collection. So that's why I'm kind of like, oh, I really want to use this. And we'll figure a way to use some of that down here as well. We have to make a cluster down here, but I need something to anchor it because it's going to get lost in this background. And I'd like to bring through another foil element somewhere if I could, because I don't want this to be the only one on the layout. Maybe I can use this to build the cluster on. And it helps bring in some of that orange from there. We can leave this pattern paper here. Right, so we have that. Now perhaps we can use this down here. Bring through that element, that style. I know that it would be on the same page, but at least it will still bring it to more than just one place on the layout if I were to add it down here. I'm not sure. Let's continue to see what else we can put down here. Circle back to this Studio Calico sticker sheet. Not really anything on here that we can use. I do like this. It says fly away with me. Put this over here with the photo of all of us with the family. That's cute. We can use some of the hearts, or what are these, stars? I wish they were a little iridescent. Oh, here goes a few iridescent ones. I think I'm gonna use this pack your suitcase down here as well. Or pack a suitcase. Okay, what else do we think is missing? What else could we add without this getting overwhelming with product? Maybe I'll just write a little bit more down here by way of journaling, right? I'll just name everybody here. It's good to have that information down there. Now I definitely want to add something up here. I don't want to do the let's go with the airplane because we already have the airplane here. Maybe I'll do, but I don't want to do another thing like this over here. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna call this page done. This layout of us at the airport. I like how I was able to pull in so many different collections for this, and it still all look really cohesive and well put together. So I'm really proud of myself for being able to make another layout towards my How to Kill a Kit with Style, utilizing the kit that I put together and some cut aparts, project life cards. Yeah, so I hope that you're able to do something creative to make yourself proud today as well. Please stay tuned for some close-ups, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.